and welcome to Carrot Town Garage. This is our video review of our 1981 GMC Sierra pickup truck, identical to the Chevy C10 truck, the only difference being some different badges and a different grille. We imported her last year from California. She's come from a completely rust-free environment, and we love the patina on the car. It's just, the truck just looks amazing. It really does. It's got that kind of rough and ready look. So what we did was we lacquered over all the rust, the marks and everything, because it just looks cool. The way it kind of sits, it's got sort of that angled look to it. The engine, it's got the 4 litre 6-cylinder engine with a 3-speed manual gearbox. I think on a truck you can get away with a 6-cylinder. It's different in a car. You've got to have a V8 in a car, but on a truck it's kind of cool. Plus the other thing is, you've not heard this car. This is amazing. This is a different league. It just sounds awesome. The exhaust spits fire when you rev it. It's really, really cool. It's not quiet, trust me, but it just makes it even better. You're cruising through town, everybody looks, and it just draws attention. It's just a cool old thing to be driving around in. We've gone through it, we've done all the mechanical stuff. Like I say, we've been running around in it for over a year, so we've had a lot of fun with it, and we thought it'd be great to offer it for sale for anybody else who wants to just sort of have a cool truck to go around in. Anyway, I'm going to stop waffling. Let's get the camera, let's go and have a look around the truck, and I'll point out all the bits and pieces on it as we go around. So here we are, our 81 GMC Sierra, or Chevy C10 pickup truck. She's all the patina on the paint, which you can see here, it's all been lacquered over. So we kept all the sort of little rust patches and things, because it's only surface rust, because this is a California truck. So there's no rust on her, even underneath. It's absolutely spotless. The front wheel there, brand new tyres we put on her as well, so she's got brand new tyres on there. There's a scratch down the door, you can see that, look at that. Again, it's all just lacquered over. It just kind of made it cool. It's a rough and ready truck. We redid all the suspension, so you got new shocks and everything on the back there. Johnny Cash for president. I could go, oh, there's a mark here, there's a mark there. We'd be here all day. It's just cool though, isn't it? It really is. You know, it's just a cool old thing. There we are, there's in the back there, we've got the galvanised bed in this truck as well, so hence there's no rust on it. Like I say, there's no rust on this car. The metal is absolutely spot on. It's just surface rust. Rear wheel there. Down the driver's side. We've had a lot of fun bombing around in this truck. We really have. It's just such a laugh because it's so loud. It's really, really cool. And I just love the stance. If you look at the stance, so you've got that sort of nose down at the front and then up at the back slightly. But she sort of sits a bit lower, which I think it just suits the truck rather than having that sort of, everybody has beefed up trucks. You know, do something a bit different. Inside, lovely bench seat out of a much more modern truck. Absolutely perfect. The dash covering leaves a little bit to be desired. The lights and everything seem to work. The fuel gauge is a bit hit and miss, so we tend to just keep it filled up with petrol, but to be honest, that tends to be the case on all American cars. They do tend to not be honest. In fact, they're about as honest as the Chinese government, the fuel gauges on American cars. Shifter down there, 3-speed manual, which again suits the car really well. Door card, just got a radio in there. I'll show you the other side from here, because I don't really need to open the door. And we'll pull the bonnet release. And there we go, under the hood. Again, no rust or anything. Engine's all lovely and clean. Look at that. New battery under there. There's a lot of new bits and pieces, new hoses and pipes and various bits and pieces, but you can see how genuine this truck is from here. I mean, if you wanted to, I mean, I know she's a 6, but I think you can get away with a 6 on a truck. I don't think it really matters, you know. But if you wanted to drop a V8 in there, you could do. I mean, bear in mind you buy a Jeep Wrangler, and I mean, they're mega money, and that's got a Wrangler's got a 6-cylinder in it. Right, let's go and start her up and see what she sounds like. And there you have it. That's our video review of our 1981 GMC Sierra pickup truck, same as the Chevy C10. Should you have any more questions, please give us a call. We're Carrot Town Garage, and we're a startup business. We're dealing in classic American cars. We have the full facilities though, so basically you buy the car from us, we service it, we maintain it, we have the whole thing. We have a car club, so you can come to events with us, and we're going to do cars and coffee mornings once we get out of the COVID thing, obviously. And our workshop, it's basically a place to come and hang out. That's the idea. We've got a coffee bar and things in there, scale electric track, all the sort of stuff that us guys like, and like I say, just a great place to come and hang out. Obviously once we get the social distancing thing out the way. Please check out our website, www.carrottowngarage.co.uk. Follow us on Instagram, on Facebook, all the social media. All the latest cars and things go on Instagram first, so the cars tend to go on there. Check out our merchandise in the shop. Everything's available to buy. Jack Rabbit t-shirts. And like I said, any more questions or anything you want to just give us a call for a chat, just give us a call. My name is Stuart, and thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye.